Well, it's Monday morning, right around 9 o'clock, and I just retorqued the head bolts on this guy, and they took a little adjustment. So now I've been running it for about 10 minutes while I check it over, and it sounds really good. Oh, hell. Let's get up under there and see what we see. Right there. From here, traveling down the head. So I'm going to tighten that and see what happens. Okay, I tightened this fitting. Once again, this oil leak might be self-inflicted because I did take this fitting apart when I put the oil pressure gauge onto it. So I tightened it down, took about a, eighth of a turn, tight. Cleaned up all the oil was ghosting right through here. It wasn't really visible, but it's going right through here. And I think down the center and out where we saw it come off the head fin, okay? So I've got this clean towel here to monitor anything that might be coming out of here. And I'm gonna start the bike and let it idle for about, I don't know, 5 or 10, 15 minutes. I'll put the fan on it and let her go. So let's just give her a start. Ignition on. Okay. I think I've got it. I think I fixed it. Dry as a bone up there. Okay, I think I've got it because I think I caused it. All right, so this fitting was seeping just a little bit of oil going down in between the cylinders, out and off of the head. Now, one of the first clues that I miss is that it was dripping off the head rather than the cylinder. If it had been coming out of the head gasket, I think it would have been dripping off the top vein of the cylinder versus the head itself. So all that consternation, let's turn this fan off. So all that consternation that I caused by not having that oil line fitting tight is my fault. And I'll own it. So the good news is you got a free head retorquing, and does not seem to have any oil drips again. I'm just going to let the bike sit here for a while, and if I see no further drips, you'll see nothing further on this bike until I get the clutch plates in and we do a test ride. In the meantime, I'm going to put the green bike up here and do some work on it.